26 million years ago. A dinosaur's front legs begin to weaken. Then he crashes down hard on the sandy shore. For this 70-year-old Alamosaurus, he knows his life has reached its end. But when these giant dinosaurs die, it always triggers a terrifying feeding frenzy. A pack of Trudons arrives at the scene. Trudons are among the smartest dinosaurs, so they always manage to get there first. However, the dead Alamosaurus stretches 100 feet long, weighs 70 tons, and has skin nearly 3 inches thick, so the Trudons simply can't tear through the hide. This calls for a dinosaur with serious firepower.